Hi YouTube, and today we are doing stuff, and that's what the video is called, stuff. Look at Michael, he is so intense, and he is awesome. Okay, yeah. So I'm Michael right now, and I'm going to do stuff. And the first stuff we're gonna do is rob. Yeah, I'm sorry, that's our birds. Yeah, they're very loud when I play stuff. So we just got them. Yeah, I'm doing stuff. And that is my sister doing stuff. Yeah, and this whole video is gonna basically be about stuff. And okay, so we're gonna start by we're just gonna shoot rockets. Okay, maybe it's funner in first person than shooting rockets.
Wait, I can't go to Sony World because there's no internet. What?
Okay, I'm just going to the airport right now. Okay, the airport.
My mom turned it off.
Over here.
No, it's on.
Okay, yeah, that was
You want the internet on?
Okay, the airport's like right over the bridge, right? Oh, yay! It's a target.
No, like here.
Boom. Wait, no, that's just the top of the building. I just blew up.
Where I can copy it.
It's almost. Yeah, I'm not going very fast. Wait, I am. Okay, I see the airport.
Does it take a long time?
See it in the distance.
How is it says?
La 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 la. Okay, stuff regenerated. We are doing stuff again. What about we drive a Hornet around? We're gonna drive a Hornet around the place. So when you have a cheap Hornet, and so easy. Okay, opening my cheat book. Okay, the cheat Hornets. Deep, 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 deep.
Magic, a friendship.
Okay, yeah, that's a filmer.
Thank you.
And her name is Twilight Sparkle something. And she said that.
Hey, no, it's not. It's tuna sushi.
So, okay, stuff. Let's do stuff. And stuff means like going to gas stations and robbing them.
No. Go,
Okay, and like running a huge crowd of people and so.
No, go to, like.
Okay, see those two people? Oh, a guy.
So, let's go to. I forgot.
You're not the talker here one. Okay, look, I see on the map a biker. Oh, he's running. He's right there. Gangster guy.
Do a mission.
He has a gun.
Do a mission.
He's dead. Oh, he's a gangster. Oh yeah, get money. Oh, he's a gangster.
Money.
Just took money. Retrieve the stolen item. No, because we're doing stuff, and it only has $11. Who wants $11?
Me.
Okay, so I'm just gonna turn around and do more stuff. Okay, let's see. There's a counter. There's a store. Corner stores. Availability 0. Woman.
I'm getting internet.
I want some money. Nee, beep, beep, boop. GG. Aw. I was gonna get some money this time. This time it has to work. Give me money! Woman. Bomb. Bum, bum, bum. Kneel. Boom. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna get the money myself. Since she won't give me. Oh, look, she had cash. And now I get to get some more cash. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Okay, now let's go with this one. Okay, so I'm just. Wow, my birds. Loud. Okay. So just listen to the birds. Let's
go on a mission.
Woo.
No, you never had.
Okay. Whoa! I almost ran over that guy. And I ran over. Look at those two women over there. Woo, woo, woo. Woo! Oh, I got him. Paramedics. Oh, you may want to take care of that guy, Yos. Okay, now it's fine. Let's get some ammo. Let's rob the ammo nation with Roush. Okay, we're doing stuff, and stuff is what we do. I started out with trying to get a plane, but I'm not. Oh, ammunition, gun club. Now where's the? Okay. Okay, I'm going. We're gonna do awesome survives with the skydiving sheet. Okay. Okay, we're going down. Now we're gonna actually rob the. What's it called? We're gonna rob the airport. Woo! Okay, so we're going. Robbing the airport. Going up. Okay.
Up and down, side to side, circles, squiggles.
Okay. So the airport is. No, I want to go actually right here. Yeah. Yeah, it's like the opposite of where I'm going. Which way I'm going? Why is this thing so slow? Okay, it's going fast. Whoa. No. Okay, la. Okay, Okay, I'm getting in. We're gonna rob the airport. Like I said. Yeah, like why am I shooting? Okay. Okay, we're turning around. This place is like so non-city like. It's like so like cool. Okay, here we go.
No.
So big, so much things in the back.
Okay.
Don't stand out there. You may fall down. Yeah, be careful, okay?
Seeing where to go. The airport is this way.
Natalie, be careful, okay?
Okay, so yeah, that was something. Okay, so we're going faster.
The sun is shining.
Look at that.
The sun is shining.
Whoa, okay, I'm getting over the bridge. Yeah, I should have flown under the bridge because then I get like a bridge certificate. But we're here at the airport. And we're gonna jump out. Woo! No! Whoa! This may be an awesome survive if I survive. Oh my gosh, I survived.
With invincibility.
Oh!
With
Okay.
invincibility.
Yeah, I just did that. I just needed that. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm just trying to get out of here. Oh, landed right on top of the fire. That was a stuff. I use a lot of cheats. It's just fun. I mean, how fun would this game be? Move it. Yo. I'm getting in a plane. In just a second. It's like 100 police officers. Whoa. Okay, I see the plane. This plane is active. I'm gonna use it. Yeah, I'm gonna stop this right here so my plane can fit. And I'm gonna run for my. Oh my gosh. They're everywhere. I don't know if I'm gonna make it if I get in this plane. Oh my gosh. Woo! I have to move these cars. Okay, we're getting under the plane. Here we go.
DCTC.
Okay, see?
Yeah. What's that?
Okay, so. Okay, we're in a plane.
Mama's going for that.
Oh my gosh, our plane exploded.
Alarm. Oh.
Woo. Huh? Huh? See? Got it. Okay, let's go. Wee, wee, wee. Okay, this plane's available. No. Can't get plane stuff under it. How are we gonna drive it? Okay. This one. Then we're running towards it. This may be available. Otherwise, I have to go to the other side of the airport. Yep, I have to go to the other side of the airport.
You need to do that.
There's a prize in
The videos. Okay, I'm going to get the plane on the other side. Whoa. Okay. That guy just tried to back out. There's a private jet. Oh, it's open. The guy inside got out. That means it's mine now.
Oh, the same thing. You know, try to fight with a policeman, whatever. Yeah, same thing.
Okay, so yeah, that was that's
Same thing.
I can't get off the air. Oh my gosh! Oh, I'm letting off my air. Woo! Woo! It's an airplane. I'm leaving the airport. Now I just need to get out of here. Okay, there's the city. Very foggy right now. Driving a plane in fog, that's more stuff. And I'm gonna do the biggest jump in the world to end my video. Upside down flying, that's more stuff to do. Oh! Oh! Yeah, that just worked. Okay. I'm doing the biggest jump in the world, peeps. I'm doing the biggest jump in Grand Theft Auto right now. That's how I'm gonna end my video. Woo! That was like a grenade splatter. Okay, so I'm getting out of here.
Okay, all done.
Okay, so yeah, and